Hi dears, good morning. Now for you, material reading. What is our topic? Light. First Roman. First question. With the help of a diagram, state the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Here given that one A, B, C. Here 1 and 2 60 degree. In that center point D. And then 3, 4. 1 and 2 60 degree. Between the 1 and D center point 90 degree. How? Here 1 and 2 60 degree and then 2 and D 30 degree. So 90 degree. Now prove that laws of reflection. Here P and O in that surface reflecting surface. Down having no O, that one reflecting surface. ON is a normal rays. ON is a normal rays. Here PO is the angle of incident. PO is the angle of incident. That producing ray is called incident ray. That is denoted by I. ON is a normal ray. Okay. Next OQ is the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection producing rays, reflected rays. It is denoted by R. The angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, so I equal to R. Next, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incident lie on the same plane. Which one? The incident ray, normal ray, reflected ray, all the one. Where it is fall? It is fall on the same plane mirror only. Next, second question. Figure shows a pencil placed above a mirror. Here you see the picture, down having mirror. Where it is pencil? The pencil is present above the mirror. Where we see through our eyes. Next, draw its image formed by the mirror. Show how light rays from the object are reflected at the mirror to form the image for the eye. Here you see the picture, down having mirror, upside pencil. Through the eye we see the pencil. Where it is present? Above the mirror only the pencil is present. Now third question. A person is looking at the image of a tree in a mirror placed 3.5 centimeter in front of him. Given that the tree is at 0.5 meter behind his eyes, find the distance between the image of the tree and his eyes. What are needed to see an object? What are the things needed for the see object? Tree, person, and then which one? Mirror. Here tree and person 0.5 meter. Person and which one? This one. Mirror 3.5 meter. Here tree is present. The distance between the person and the mirror. The distance between the person and the tree. The image formed in the mirror. The distance between the image of the tree and his eyes is equal to how much? The distance between the person and the mirror 3.5 centimeter. Person and tree 0.5 meter. The image formed in the mirror 4 meter. Between the image of the tree and his size how much? 4 plus 3.5 centimeter equal to 7.5 meter. Mirror and person are needed to see an object. Mirror and person, these two things are needed for see an object. How much differentiation? 7.5 meter. What are luminous objects? All objects which emit light energy by themselves are called luminous object. Example, sun, electric bulb. Is the moon a luminous object? No. The moon is a non-luminous object because the moon does not produce its own light. The moon does not produce its own light. How the moon produce light? The moon get from the sun, that only give the light, reflected the light only. Next question, sixth question. What are the three types of material based on the absorption of light? First one, transparent material, translucent material, opaque material. Seventh one, what are the parts of shadows? Umbra, penumbra. Eighth question, what are the properties of shadows? First point, all objects do not form shadows, only opaque objects form shadows. Shadows will be formed in the opposite side of the light source. All object does not form a shadow. Which object form a shadow? Opaque object only formed shadows. Shadows, how it is formed? It is formed on the opposite side of the light source. The shadow will be always darker, whatever may be the color of light rays. The color of light rays, different color also give means the shadow, how it is formed? Black color only, dark color only. Ninth question, what is plane mirror? A plane mirror is a mirror with a flat reflective surface. Plane mirror is a mirror. That one what? It is a flat reflective surface. A plane mirror makes an image of object in front of it. The plane mirror, what is produced? That one produced image of an object. What is prism? A prism is an object made up of a transparent material like glass or plastic that has at least two flat surfaces that form an acute angle. 11th question. What do you mean by visible light? Visible light is a spectrum of a number waves with a different wavelength range from 400 nanometer, nm means nanometer, 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Each wave has a definite wavelength represent a particular color. Write the items given here in the correct column. Stars, bricks, walls, plants, mirror, planets, electric bulb, sun, candle. Sources of light. And then objects that reflect lights. What are the sources of light? Stars, electric bulb, candle, sun. These are sources of light. Which one reflect the light? What are the objects? Brick walls, plants, mirror, planets. This one reflect light. Next, 13th question. A boy of height 1 meter 45 centimeter is standing in front of a long mirror at a distance of 2 meter. From this information, fill up the following sentence. The distance between the boy and his image 4 meter. The boy and the, how much distance? Height 1 meter 45 centimeter. How much distance? Long mirror at a distance of 2 meter. Here the distance between the boy and his image 4 meter. The height of an image is same or 1 meter or 5 centimeter. Height of an image, which one? How much the boy height? That only. 1 meter 45 centimeter. When the boy moves 1 meter forward, the distance between him and his image 2 meter. Move 1 meter, how much distance? 1 meter only. Next, 14th question. Draw a diagram of a pinhole camera showing the rays of light passing between the object and its image. Here we see the picture. This one object. Which one? Here given the tree, no? That one object. Here pinhole camera. Through the pinhole camera, O only we see the image. X, Y object. Through the pinhole camera, which one screen fixed in that pinhole camera? Translucent screen. What is the image we get? Inverted image. Inverted image means தலைகீழ் பிம்பம் தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. Through the pinhole camera we get the inverted image. X, Y object. That one producing rays, that one producing image, which one? X dash, Y dash. Next 15th question. Why is the writing on the front of an ambulance back to front as shown in the picture? Here you see the picture. Ambulance, how it is writing? Black verse. Why this like writing? This is due to lateral inversion, the phenomenon due to which the left side of an object appear to be right side. If you see the mirror, your left hand, how it is showing in the mirror? Right hand. That one inverted. That one how it is produced? Lateral version. So, the ambulance return in which version? Back to front version. Okay, we get the inverted lateral version. So only the ambulance right to this like. Okay, left side of an object appears to the right side of an object. The in its image in a reflecting medium. So the drivers see the world the right way around in their rear view mirror. Next 16th question. Explain with the examples. Some capital letters look the same in a mirror but others are reversed. Any letter that has a bilateral symmetry will have its mirror image the same as the object. Bilateral image. So this one mirror also same only. H also same only. Which one? Bilateral symmetry letters that only get the same image. 17th question. Two plane mirrors M1 and M2 are placed perpendicular with each other as shown in figure. The ray AB makes an angle 39 degree with the plane mirror M. Then here you see the picture AB. M1, M2. How it is having? AB and CD. Okay, M1 and M2. Here you see the reflected rays are BC, CD. The incident ray AB, BC. The incident ray which one? AB and BC. The reflected rays BC and CD. What is the angle of incident corresponding to the ray of BC? Incident ray no, so I equal to 39 degree. What is the angle of reflection corresponding to the ray CD? Which one? Reflection R equal to same. Which is same? Incident ray, reflection ray also same. So this also 39 degree only. 18th question. Rajan was playing with the mirror images of a clock. He looked at the clock in his room. It was showing 1.40. Draw the position of the hand and on its mirror reflection. Write below the picture what time each picture is showing. Real clock, mirror clock. Here you see the real clock shown 4.25 time. Here mirror clock shows 5.20. 5.20. Lateral version. Okay, next. 19th question. What is reflection of light? The bouncing back of light from a reflecting surface of an object is called as reflection of light. 20th question. If a ray of light is falling on a plane mirror at an angle of 50 degrees Celsius, 50 degree is formed. What will the angle of reflection? Normal first. Normal which one? Center. Here QI incident ray. QR which one? Reflection ray. Here you see the picture angle of incident I equal to 90 degree minus 50 degree equal to 40 degree. So I equal to angle of incident I equal to 40 degree. According to the laws of reflection, which one? Angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. So I equal to R. Here 40 degree means angle of incident 40 degree. Angle of reflection also 40 degree only. So the angle of reflection R equal to 40 degree. Next question. What do you mean by lateral inversion? The phenomenon due to which left hand side of the object appear as right hand side of, and vice versa is called lateral inversion. Left hand side of an object, how do we see right hand side of an image? Vice versa. Otherwise, that one is called lateral inversion. How do you obtain a spectrum of light? When white light is made to fall on the surface of a prism, it disperses and we obtain a spectrum of light. 23 question. Why do we see white color in Newton disk when we rotate it very fast? When the disk turned quickly, receives the sensation of the spectrum simultaneously and disk appears white. 24th question. What is a shadow? What things are necessary for the formation of shadow? Shadows are formed because light travels in a straight line. Next, shadows is always against the opposite side of the light source. Things necessary for the formation of shadows. Source of light, opaque object. Next, second Roman, answer the following question in detail. First question, what are regular and irregular reflection? Explain with the help of diagrams. Regular reflection. When a parallel beam of light on striking some smooth and polished surface is reflected as a parallel beam of light. Such a reflection is called regular reflection. If you even the light pass through the smooth surface, that one producing which rays? Regular reflection rays. Smooth surfaces produce specular reflection or regular reflection. Here you see the picture. Rough surface produce diffuse or irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. When a parallel beam of light on striking some rough surface is reflected in different directions, then such a reflection is called irregular or diffuse reflection. The light pass through the which surface? Smooth surface, we get the regular reflection. If the light pass through the rough surface, we get irregular reflection. Next, second question. Write difference between luminous and non-luminous objects. Give two examples of each luminous object. The object which are able to emit their own light, that one luminous object. The object which are able to emit light, which light? Their own light. Emit their own light is called luminous object, non-luminous object. The objects which are not able to emit their own light, that one is called non-luminous object. Second question, they cause the sensation of light. Which one? Luminous object. They do not cause the sensation of light. Next, third point, luminous objects are seen on their own. Non-luminous objects are seen due to luminous objects. The object that has its own light source. The object do not have their own light source. Luminous object example, sun, candle, electric bulb. Non-luminous object example, moon, chair, plants. Next, third question. Write about two everyday situations that tell you that light travels in a straight line. Torchlight is an example that proves light travels in a straight line. We can switch on the torch and point out a particular portion, but you cannot focus vertically or horizontally with a normal torch. So it proves that light always travels in a straight line. When there is a small hole in a room, light travels only in a straight line. Fourth question, differentiate reflection and a shadow. Reflection are caused by light bouncing off object. Shadows are formed when objects block a source of light. Reflection have color. Shadows are always black in color. It is formed due to the reflection of light. Which one? Reflection of light. Next, shadows. It is formed in the absence of light. Secular reflection and of reflection. Umbra are the two types of shadows. What are the characteristics of an image formed in a plane mirror? The image is upright. The image and the object are the same size. The image and the object are the same size. The image is virtual. The image is laterally inverted. The boy's left hand looks like the right hand of the image. The distance of the image from the plane mirror is equal to the distance of the object from the mirror. Next, sixth question. Describe the picture. Here, when the tube is bent, we cannot see the source of light. Why? The light travels in a straight line only. If the tube is bent, we cannot see the light. When the tube is straight, we can see the flame. The two pictures verify the light travels in a straight line. This is known as rectilinear propagation of light. The light travels in a straight line. That one is called rectilinear propagation of light. Define the following: incident ray, reflected ray, normal, angle of incidence. First one, incident ray. The ray of light that falls on the source of the reflection material. That one, incident ray. Next, second one, reflected ray. The ray of light that comes from the point when the incident ray falls on the reflection material. Third one, C, normal. The perpendicular line drawn from the point of incident to the plane of reflecting surface is called normal. Next, of incident. Angle of incident can be defined as the angle between a ray incident on a surface and the line perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence. Compare the images formed by a plane mirror with that by a pinhole camera. Images formed by a pinhole camera. The image is real. Pinhole camera image is real. Image formed by the plane mirror, that one virtual. The image may not be equal to the size of the object. But here the mirror, the image is equal to the size of the object. The image is inverted. Here the image is erect. I hope you understood this class. Thank you dears. Do well. All the best.